I made this Ditto quite a long time ago, but this was before I was making YouTube videos, and I really wanted to create Ditto for videos, so we're gonna create a second one. I've been trying to find what the easiest possible Pokemon to create out of clay is, and this has got to be it. Ditto is only 2 colors, just purple and black, and has the easiest possible details to create. So this is probably going to be the shortest clay tutorial you ever see on my channel. I don't think there's any Pokemon that are easier to create. At the bottom here we're creating some dents, and also in the top of the head here. I think this just helps to make him look a lot more like a blob of gel. So now we can cut out the arms and put them on the side of the body. There's no fingers or hands we have to create, so that's very nice too. Now we can move on to creating the face. First we'll use this dotting tool to make some holes for the eyes and then draw out the mouth. And we'll use some black clay to fill in those details, some balls of clay for the eyes. And we're actually almost completely done creating Ditto. So now let's use a worm of black clay for the mouth. And we can trim up the sides a little bit after we get it in there. And now Ditto is ready to get baked. And here it is, guys, Ditto. Here you can see some of the other Pokemon I've created on my channel. At the end of this video you can see a link to a playlist of all of those, and I'll see you all next Saturday.